Hi, I'm Aditya from DEBE Learning, and today we have Twinkle's mother, Shiny, with us. She will be sharing her daughter's maths classes experience at DEBE Learning. Now, let's hear from her. So let's begin with your introduction first, Shiny.
Yeah, hi, I'm Shiny. We are living in England, and is studying in year 5 now. And I just thought to put her on classes, like because I don't know what they really do in the school, honestly, because they don't bring back book from the school. I think here in England, what they do is like after year 6 or 7 only, they start to give them books to home to do the learning. So we have no idea what they learn in the school actually. Only when the parents meeting come every 3 months, we just come to know how they do it in the school.
Okay, got it. Yeah. So basically, my first question was also the same about why did you choose online maths classes for Twinkle?
Well, I was just going through Facebook on that day, and I was like a bit stressed because I don't know what she is doing. So I just see that online class in the Facebook. So I just thought, like, let me appear for this one, and that's how I just joined the Debbie Learning.
Okay, got it. That's great. So if I ask you in one sentence, how is your experience till now with DEBE Learning?
Yeah, I think it is helping her in doing mathematics because like she was a bit poor with her division and calculations, but I think she's getting better now. Otherwise, I think like with Debbie Learning, I think it is helping her to do the calculations and things a bit more easily. I think she's getting there, it seems.
Okay, great. Glad to hear that. So, what is your review about the instructor, Naman?
Yeah, Naman is a very good instructor because he's teaching very good. Um, yeah, I think he's very good, soft with the children as well, and try to explain things again and again if she doesn't understand. So I think he's a very good teacher, and he's teaching very
Hmm.
good. He's like very much patient with her
Hmm.
because sometimes she doesn't do the homework, and but he's
Hmm.
like very good to her and is
Hmm.
patient to her and teaching her again. So I'm very happy with it.
Okay, yeah, thank you so much. And lastly, I would ask you to rate DEBE Learning on a scale of 1 to 10. So, how much would you rate?
Uh, I can rate it like 8 out of 10.
Okay, yeah, that's a good rating. Okay, perfect, Shiny. And thank you
All
so much
right
for
then.
joining and sharing your insights. And I hope that Twinkle continues to learn and master all the math skills. Thank you so much, Shiny, for joining.